Xiang gua me she da long ke de ko la ke nial, you know, we'll place. I'm gonna show you a minute. Okay, as you can see here, let me show you guys. Those are the computer, no? Okay. Okay, she go open it here. Yep, there. Number then call, you see? Okay. Okay. So to take a bell, you know, call go me shell. Wanna go me tell? Show you. Okay. Yeah. Call tell go me. Then an tell and me calculation and me. You know. Yeah, that's then shing on one. Money chap here, Kelly. So, hold on. Let me use this way. Yeah. Here, the alley chaka bab. Don't know more chak here already. Okay. Okay. Let me move in here. Okay. Okay. Too much. So, yeah, you can see it. If you already chicken, ala gwam to kijin ni jan goro de ala kamone but really chicken pelijan alo shala chicken goro no real kana so that's why na yan tamen che ching te de mo pidial anytime me nyale de am den la pulu kana go da ma che to de ke le ngwa mi lo de pi jel de but instead go take lo mi kid mi cha pelijan mi cha dalel ke terrell and then ke shop here karwara that's why book to book go chin no one future ga kan jel kare mi lo chicken go gwam na la kana kare no no. So, yan down to mo. Okay. Mo the bomb. So it's then time to mo. Okay.